Hey everyone, Lennon here, LFI Digital Marketing, and in this video I'm going to go over how to set up a basic sales funnel within Systeme.io. Alright, so here we go. Now, this sales funnel is going to consist of a landing page with a form. When a person fills it out, they're either going to go to a thank you page with a product or an offer that you're promoting, or they're going to fill out the form and it'll redirect directly to the offer or whatever product you're promoting or whatever you want it to go to. Okay? Now, once those people fill out the form, they're going to be tagged and they're going to be added to your email list, which is going to go to a campaign. Okay, so there's a running theme here. So let's say you're promoting some kind of, like you created an online course, for example. Okay, so you're going to tag those people with online course. Then you're going to have an email campaign for online course. And the landing page, obviously, is going to be about this online course. Okay, so here I am on my dashboard. So the first thing you want to do is go to contacts, actually go to tags, and you're going to want to create tags. Okay, so you're going to create this one. I'm just going to go with online course for now. Hit save. Okay. Now, you want to go to your emails. This is step 2 and set up the campaign. Emails, campaigns, create, and just name it online course. Stick into the example. Click save. Click on online course. Now you're going to create an email, and the subject can be, just something like this. Name, email. Just pick a template if you'd like. Click save. Great, wonderful, fantastic. That's fine. Save changes up here. Click exit. Okay, now up here, you can save and publish. And in here, let's just say you had a series of emails. So this email will be sent after whatever email you had before. But since this is the first one, there's not going to be anything here. Days before sending the email, you want to wait 0 days. So it just sends out immediately. As soon as a person fills out the form, they're going to get this email. You can set up the time if you want, the days of the week for when the email will be sent, but there's no delay. Fill out the form, they get the email. So you will click activate. Okay, now we're going to go to the funnel section. So click on funnels, confirm, create, and depends on what you want to do. So you want to build an audience, sell, custom, run an evergreen webinar if you'd like. For this, we're going to be collecting email addresses, okay, to build a list. That way, if the person doesn't go for your product or your offer or your course, for example, you can keep emailing them about it and sending them info. So once again, running theme, online course, build an audience. Click save. Now you're going to click on online course. And they give you quite a few templates here. So I'm just going to, you can increase the size here. So you, instead of having to go next every time to see it, just going to view about 30 of them. See which one I like, stands out to me. I'm just going to go with this one. You could always preview the template. See if you like it. This will work for me. Go with this one. Okay, give it a name. I'll just name it here. Hit save. Now we're going to edit the page. So let's say you make all these changes to it. You can change the text, change the color of this button if you want, change the background, all these crazy things. Okay? Now for me, what I would do in here, honestly, I'd probably delete a lot of this because we're just trying to get the, let's just say it's for an online course, right? You'd have all this information in here, right? So let's say you want to take some sections out. So you can take this out. It's not relevant to us. You can change this to why our course. That's good. So the features of it. Integrations, maybe, maybe not. For now, I'm just going to take it out. Results. This is your first time launching it. Then this is useless because you won't have any results. If you do, add them in here. And then put our software to the test with your email and try for free. So when you click on the button, I'm going to go over here. Action when button is clicked. You want to send the form to the next step, which is thank you. Okay? So once you think everything looks great, wonderful, you're going to save your changes. You can also view it on mobile and make separate changes in here for the mobile version. Okay, go back to desktop down here. We're going to exit. And that next step that we mentioned is going to be the thank you page here. You can pick your template, whichever one you'd like. For now, I'm just going to go with this. And you make sure when you're actually making it, it matches the theme of that squeeze page or lead page or sales page, whatever you want to call it. Click select. Thank you. That works fine. I'll just call this thank you. Hit save. Edit the page. You change all the details in here if you'd like. Okay. Let's just say thank you. Looks wonderful. You can provide a link to the course. For example, you can add a button in here. So let's find the button. Let's just say I want to throw it in here like this. You don't want that subtext there. I'm going to come over here, slide down. Let's see if we can find that subtext. Subtext, there it is. Yank that out. Great, wonderful. Oh, wonderful, looks great. Woohoo! Okay, we're going to save the changes. Exit. Now, let's go back to this, and I want to show you something. Click on edit the page for that first page you're in, your first step. Now let's just say they fill out the form at the bottom and you want to redirect it to something else. So you're gonna click on the button, go to the left side here, obviously send form, but where do you want it to go? You can put a custom URL, put it in here, and it'll go to that page. So for this example, I'm just gonna go to Google, to be honest. So something like google.com or something like that. Save changes. Preview it. Okay, scroll down. Put my email. Click on it. It'll be taken to Google, like I put in the first place. So that's the redirection example. We always go back here and go to the next step, which is the thank you page. Save your changes. Go ahead and preview. Go back to the email here. Click the button. Then we take into the next step. Let's go with this email. Okay, interesting. Let's see what happened. Alright, so you put in your email. Click here. And that takes you to the next step. Okay, so you can go. Looks like you can't do it from preview. Things happen. We all learn. I'm learning on the fly right now. This has never happened before, so it's probably an update. Okay. And then if you go in to here, your first page, you can see what leads you have. For example, that would be me. And one other thing that I had forgotten to mention. Automation rules, very important. You want to add these automation rules. So when the person fills out your form, they get tagged and added to the campaign. Those two things you created. So let's say funnel step, they subscribed. Okay, then you click on it. You want to add an action. Subscribe to campaign. Drop down menu. Let's find online course. Add another action so they can get tagged. Go in here. Find online course. Now you want to save the rule. Okay. Now you go back to the step configuration. Do it again. And I use a different email this time. Go here. Takes me to the thank you page. So I'm back here in Systeme. Okay. Now, go to contacts, tags. Click on online course, and you can see who you have in it and what time they registered. Obviously, I've done quite a few tags in here, but for you, it would probably just show up as online course. That's the only thing that would show up. Okay, and those are the basics of creating a basic sales funnel in Systeme.io. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you know of a better method to do this in Systeme.io, just let me know. All right. Thank you, everyone. Bye.